Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Pandey and I am here with my grandpa who is going to tell us that what was the condition of India before and after the independence.
Yes, listen to it. You celebrate your Independence Day on 15th August every year because this is the day when we came free from British rule and our country India became independent and a sovereign country. You should be aware that in past before British rule we were rich and our economic development was so high that we were called the golden bird. But the British government betrayed us and destroyed our economic development. And there were no developments in India. There were no good factories, no good educational institutions, no good hospitals, no medical facilities, no transport, and other development infrastructural activities in that period. Okay. That is why during the British period, some leader like Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay created the feeling of nationalism in our mind. And consequently, Quit India movement started and spread in the entire country. Okay. Further, now we are a development country and have our own constitution and economic policies. Now we have a large rail, road and other transport facilities like air and watership. Now we have so many factories, medical colleges, medical hospitals, medical facilities, and infrastructural facilities like other development countries. Now, we are providing free education to students up to intermediate level. And now our country is developing and progressing like other development countries, America and England. At last, in controlling COVID-19, we have shown and proved that India is number one in the whole world.